The horizon whispers, calling my name, through the mountains high, through the desert flame. Every step a story, every breath a dream. The world unfolds in colors unseen. Boundless horizons, the journey begins. The winds of freedom dance on my skin. Through the unknown I'll find my way. Adventure's song guides me each day. The sun sets gently, painting skies anew. The stars above are my compass true. Rivers flow wild, carving paths untold. Each turn a treasure, a story of gold. Through the echoes of the past I rise, chasing dreams beneath the open skies.